Hi, Caitlin. Thanks for putting in the video. Listen, first of all, if anybody even suggests that you have CP, you act like you do. You start working on it. The first thing you're going to do is a newborn movement assessment. The spine is not rotating. There's definitely movements. Serious delays in development, because even the rolling over that you're showing me, that's not rolling over. And rolling over should be back and forth. Now, there's better things of it, because again, the rest are pictures. I can't do anything with pictures. I do videos. Your child shouldn't be acting like this. 7.5 months old, he should be just ready to crawl. Independently, not only independently sitting, but going in and out of sitting, into all fours and coming to sitting through their back. So independent sitting, rolling over should have happened at 2.5 to 3 months. The grabbing the feet should have been at 4.5 months. Independent sitting should have been at 5.5 months. 6.5 months, he should have come to sitting through his back. I can tell you right now, he's not doing it. And so from that, he should be going in from sitting into all fours and back again at 7.5 months. And the delays are really starting to happen. The newborn movement assessment is going to show you where there's complications within the spine and the rotation, and that's the first thing that you're going to be working on. I almost would get into the worried baby, because I think you need a better foundation in the rolling over and in the sitting and the coming to sitting and the grabbing the feet, and all those courses are in there instead of just worrying about them piece by piece. If not, definitely work on the coming to sitting course and the going in and out, the pre-crawl. And that's where you need to be, because there's just too much going on. And so he's really playing at immature levels, and so the PT is just saying that the legs are stiff, but again, he should be transitioning in and out of movements, and not going through where it's labored, and those kind of things. And that's where you need to be at. But please don't wait for someone to say it is before you're doing something about it. It doesn't matter what the diagnosis is. What matters is your child's developing with optimal movement. And right now that's not happening. And that's where we need to go. Thanks.